in Damosa. We've come because, as you know, I love small businesses. And this little place is called Pizza Stop, and it's owned by a Filipino and a Swiss. And they're making Napoletana style pizzas with the fermented dough pizza base, which is apparently easier to digest. And so we're going to try a few of their pizzas, have a bit of a chat with one of the owners, and then just see what happens. And this little strip mall, this little group of restaurants here, is called Damosa Gateway. It's about 100 metres or something from SM Lanang. I'm just about to introduce you to one of the owners. His name's Patrick Capilli, and he spent 20 years working in food and beverage in LA. Comes from Manila, and now he lives in Davao. So say hello to Patrick.
Hello. Hey Marshall, how are you? I love what you do. Welcome to Pizza Stop, Damosa.
How long have you had this business? And I believe you've got another branch, so there are two questions for you.
We've had this place for about 2 months, going on 3. Well, there's around 4 branches right now, and I'm a part of the one in Crocodile Park, but it's a food truck. It's been there about 3 years now.
And so when Patrick lived in LA, he worked in food and beverage. What did you do? Where did you work?
Yeah, I worked in food and beverage for about 15 years in Los Angeles, mostly in the South Bay area. It's a place called San Pedro, but it's actually Long Beach. My business partner is Heinz Egley. He's a Swiss national, but worked in Hong Kong for about 45 years. And about 4 years ago, he decided to retire in the Philippines and open Pizza Stop.
And so you're Filipino, but you lived in Italy for about 3 years, and you speak Italian.
Yes, I'm Filipino. I lived in Italy back in the 90s, worked there for about 3 years, so I speak a little bit of Italian, and I became obsessed with Italian food, especially pizza and pasta.
I was just saying to Patrick that since the pandemic, it's really difficult to tell if a place is doing well or not, because you can turn up to a restaurant, nobody's in there, and you think, oh my God, this place isn't doing very well at all. And then you notice food coming out of the kitchen and all these grab deliveries being sent off. How did the pandemic, or post-pandemic, how has that affected this Damosa Gateway?
Well, before the pandemic, this was really busy. During the pandemic, of course, everybody slowed down, everything slowed down, a lot of places closed down, but I'm very happy that places are opening up now.
This is our first pizza. It's a vegan and vegetarian half and half. What exactly is it, Patrick?
Yeah, this is Heinz's signature pizza. My partner Heinz created this because he's vegan, and for us, it's the yummiest of all because it has a lot of unique ingredients, and it's really good. Roasted eggplant, artichoke hearts, moringa pesto. Nobody makes moringa pesto.
What's moringa pesto?
It's malunggay in Tagalog, or kalamungay in Visaya, and moringa, I think.
And this is moringa. That's what it looks like before it's put into the mortar and pestle. Oh.
Yeah, so with our signature Napoletana style crust.
Here's the crust.
So this is a combination of Italian and Filipino.
It's crunchy and it's light.
A lot of fresh vegetables.
Oh, this is nice. So this one
is the traditional Italian margherita, which consists of
cheese,
the cheese,
tomato.
Yeah, tomato and basil, basically.
Basil. We say basil. Basil.
Basilico in Italiano.
It's basilico.
Basilico in Italian, yeah.
Oh. Wow, this is really good. They're quite sort of juicy.
Yeah. Fresh out of the oven.
Yeah.
Perfect time to eat it.
If you were to order a pizza of this size, this is a special half and half. But if you had all the vegan, if it was all vegan, that's 380 pesos, which is pretty good. It's a 12-inch, but it's a pretty generous 12 inches. all margarita, 330 pesos. Back for round two. This is Hawaiian.
Hawaiian, yeah.
Not really very Italian, but very Filipino.
Very popular, the most popular
The most popular.
topping in the Philippines.
All right.
Pizza.
It's good. I really like your dough. This dough. Do you want to
Yes,
explain a
yes.
bit more about it?
That's fermented dough. It's not your typical Filipino style dough.
So it's not
really-
sourdough, but it's...
Yes, it's fermented for about 2 to 3 days minimum before we bake it. It's not very filling. It's a little light because of the yeast has already fermented, so you don't feel bloated after eating it. Just like in Italy, just like in Napoli, Napoletana or Neapolitan style.
Right. So this is the Napoletana style pizza base. And this one's one of my favourites. I actually had one last night. And not from here, unfortunately. This is the pepperoni. Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Although in Italy, they don't really have pepperoni pizza. They would call that salami. But pepperoni is like Americanized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you look at that dough, that air hole, the air bubble, that's what makes it Neapolitan.
oh, okay.
Yeah. Some people don't like eating the outer rim, the crust.
Oh, I do.
But with this crust, it's very edible. Everybody likes it. That you don't leave it out. Yeah. You'd want to eat it with a pizza.
Oh, and this is a little bit spicy.
Yes, it has a jalapeno.
Oh,
Pickled jalapenos.
that's what the little green things are.
Yes.
It's got a bit
Yeah,
of spice to it,
little
which
kick.
I really like. Oh, it's a winner.
We say grazie in Italiano.
These crusts, they're fantastic. Thank you, Patrick, for inviting me down for a food tasting.
Sure, you're very welcome. And as they say in Italian, prego.
Right, you say grazie, they say prego. It means
Grazie, prego.
You're welcome. Delicious. Really good. Really good. If you have a small business and not a franchise, and you're doing it with love, and you'd like a little bit of publicity for free, get in touch with me and tell me what you're doing and the story behind it, and I might come down and do a video with you. And as I quite often do in these food tastings, there's way too much food for me to eat. I'll take a whole lot home, of course.
Yeah.
But I've got to choose which one to continue with. And it's going to be, and you're going to have a slice?
Yeah, I'll have a slice.
It's going to be this absolutely delicious vegan pizza.
Perfect. I'll have one with you.
Oh,
Yeah.
the eggplant's fantastic.
Roasted eggplant now, perfect. Very Italian.
Is it marinated in oil and vinegar?
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
right.
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
Melanzane arrosto, what they call it.
Uh-huh.
Roasted eggplant.
Patrick just pointed out to me, because it's a vegan pizza, it doesn't have any cheese, but he said, you don't miss the cheese. And I said, yeah, I didn't realise it didn't have any cheese. And of course, the best way to finish off the perfect Italian meal is with an espresso coffee.
Espresso, available here too.
And what do the Italians say?
Chin chin.
Chin chins,
Chin
cheers
chin.
in Italian.
Cheers.
And that was Pizza Stop here at Damosa Gateway.